A. Analyze performance using revenue, cost, and profit measures by responsibility center. Performance measures depend on responsibility center type. Revenue centers are evaluated based on sales volume and revenue growth. Cost centers focus on controlling manufacturing or service costs. Profit centers are assessed using contribution margin or operating income. Investment centers incorporate return measures such as ROI or residual income. Manufacturing and non-manufacturing costs require separate evaluation. Direct materials, labor, and overhead affect production efficiency, while selling and administrative costs influence overall profitability. Performance metrics must align with controllable elements within each unit. Goal congruence is essential for meaningful evaluation. Performance measures should reflect strategic objectives and ensure managers are accountable only for factors within their control, supporting fair and effective assessment. B. Explain reasons for variances in a performance monitoring system. Operational inefficiencies may cause cost variances. Excess material usage, labor inefficiency, machine downtime, or poor scheduling can result in unfavorable cost differences compared to budget. Market conditions influence revenue variances. Changes in demand, pricing strategies, competition, or economic factors can create deviations between actual and budgeted sales results. Planning errors or unrealistic assumptions contribute to variances. Inaccurate forecasts, outdated standards, or unexpected external events may produce differences that are not necessarily performance failures but reflect changes in assumptions. C. Prepare performance analysis comparing actual results to the master budget. Variance calculation involves comparing actual and budgeted amounts. Favorable variances occur when revenues exceed budget or costs are below budget. Unfavorable variances occur when revenues fall short or costs exceed expectations. Systematic analysis identifies root causes. Managers must determine whether variances result from price changes, volume differences, efficiency issues, or uncontrollable factors. Explanations support corrective action. Effective performance analysis not only quantifies variances but also recommends operational improvements, cost control measures, or strategic adjustments to improve future results. D. Benefits and limitations of comparing actual results to the master budget. Master budget comparisons provide a clear benchmark. They establish predefined targets and facilitate accountability by measuring deviations from planned performance. Limitations arise from static assumptions. The master budget is typically based on a single expected activity level. If actual output differs significantly, variance analysis may misrepresent true performance. Environmental changes reduce relevance. Economic shifts or operational disruptions can render the original budget unrealistic, limiting its usefulness for performance evaluation without adjustment. E. Analyze a flexible budget based on actual output volume. Flexible budgets adjust costs to actual activity levels. Variable costs are recalculated using actual output, while fixed costs remain unchanged within the relevant range. This provides a more accurate performance benchmark. Flexible budget variance isolates controllable performance. By comparing actual results to a budget adjusted for actual volume, managers can distinguish efficiency issues from volume differences. This method improves fairness and insight. It enhances performance evaluation by eliminating distortions caused by activity level changes, particularly in manufacturing environments with variable demand. F. Calculate sales volume and sales price variances. Sales price variance measures pricing impact. It equals actual price minus budgeted price times actual quantity sold. This variance reflects the effect of pricing decisions or market conditions on revenue. Sales volume variance measures quantity impact. It equals actual quantity minus budgeted quantity times budgeted price. This variance reflects differences in sales volume relative to expectations. Combined analysis enhances revenue insight. Separating price and volume effects allows management to evaluate whether performance changes result from demand fluctuations or pricing strategy adjustments.